So today I found a beautiful, beautiful song with about Mother Nature and her beautiful healing powers. And one of the best healing is connecting with Mother Nature, going into nature and just surrender to her and open up to listen and to connect with her heartbeat. And just like it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful to connect with the Mother Nature's nature heartbeat. It's such a beautiful experience. First time when I did it, when it happened, I was like meditating in nature, and I was having my palms on the ground, and I started to feel the beat, the pulse in my palm. It's such a beautiful feeling and experience, and I just laid there and surrender, and you feel how it's like so healing. It's replenishing, it's taking all the pains and all the energetical blocks and brings such a beautiful, loving flow of energy, replenishment, and kindness and love. Yeah, she's alive. She's so alive. And it's the embodiment of the divine feminine principle, the nourishment. It's part of us, and we are part of her. We are extensions, like the body, the physical body. You are made from earth, and in earth you should go back. Like we are made from Mother Nature, the human body. And when we connect, it's so beautiful and grounding and safe and whole and one. And this is like grounding. We are electromagnetic. We are souls having a human experience. And Mother Nature as well, the same. It's the oversoul having a human experience, a physical experience. And she's so compassionate and abundant and gives us so much. And it's sad that we forget to be grateful, to appreciate her, to love her back. She's keep on giving and giving and giving. And in the world now, the society is built on ego, and it's just like abusing her as well, and just taking and polluting and destroying. You can feel as well. You can feel the sadness. Her sadness as well. Seeing her children abusing and not so asleep, not recognizing her anymore. And so I feel sometimes, in the society that we live now, it's like spoiled kids, that they think that they deserve everything and they can just take, and that they don't have to give anything back and to be grateful or to respect. And this is coming and bite us back in the ass. It's just like, because by destroying the nature, we destroy ourselves with auto-destruction. And this happened a lot as well in the ancient civilizations. And now Earth is on a crossroads where, again, like Mother Nature, it's been so kind and patient for so many thousands of years. And her kids, they went astray again, and they started to destroy the nature again. And I feel as well, when I connect with her, it's like a volcano bubbling up. It's this energy that it's ready to erupt, to change the paradigms on Earth, to be a wake-up call. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do, it's as well to call out when someone it's deep asleep in their ego, to give them a boost, to wake them up. These are as well the spiritual awakenings. It's just like, hey, hello, you went far away, what's happening? Wake up and reconnect with your soul again. Remember who you are. Remember the balance of the universe, the harmony, the reciprocity, the unity. If you can, by hurting other, you hurt yourself, and vice versa. It's everything. It's affecting everyone. Cannot be in ignorance and pretend that the actions, they don't have repercussions. Like there is no consequence of the action. Everything it's interconnected. And having free will, it doesn't mean that you don't have the responsibility of the actions. And that's the meaning of karma for me. It's just like what you do, what you send out there, it's created and comes back. It's the consequences of the actions, the thoughts, the energies that we send out there. And the unwillingness to get back in balance, the unwillingness to go back and to reconnect with her, and to love her, and to be grateful, and to connect with her heartbeat, and to let her to nourish us as well, and to heal us. And it's when she heals us, she heals herself, and when we heal her, we heal ourselves, and it's just this beautiful co-creation, mutual give and take and nourishing. And this is like the love, the pure unconditional love. It's this mutual reciprocity, interconnectedness, like when I do good to other, I do good to me, and vice versa, and we treat others like how we want to be treated, and we are kind and compassionate and loving, and it's natural. It's our natural state of being. So, she's alive, and she's so great and so beautiful.